At the table, he turns out to be rather stable. And when the white ball hits the red cup, he's the baddest fucker in the frat club. That he does the punk dance.
Achilles and his gold, Achilles and his gifts, and Spider-Man's control, and Batman knew his fist. And clearly I don't see myself upon that list. And she said, where'd you wanna go? How much you wanna risk? I'm not looking for somebody with some superhuman gifts, some superhero, some fairy tale bliss. Just something I can turn to, somebody I can kiss. I want something just like this. I want something just like this. The testaments that told, the moon and its eclipse, and Superman arose.